Welcome to Pearl Junior High School, home of the Fighting Pirates. My name is John Wallace and I'm excited to be joining the Pearl Junior High family this year as principal. I'm looking forward to building strong relationships with our students, faculty, and families this school year. I'm excited to start a new year with our students, to guide and support them and watch them grow and succeed. Our teachers, coaches, instructors, and sponsors continue to work diligently to make sure students have the best educational, athletic, musical, and social opportunities available. We're working on several activities and programs to support and encourage our students academically, behaviorally, and socially in an effort to teach them to be successful students and successful adults. As a school, we will teach and model for our students the expectations we have for them to be well-rounded individuals. I'm a firm believer in building a strong community and culture within our campus and welcome and encourage parents to be an active member of their child's educational career. Please be aware of a few changes we have in place this year. We want to encourage students to do their best in all areas, and to reinforce these expectations, we're updating several incentive programs as part of our PBS program. Such programs include monthly character trait recognitions and quarterly big events for students who meet expectations following our Pirate Pride requirements. Please let us know how we can support you this year, and as always, go Pirates!
Hi, I'm Tim Jackson, 8th grade principal here at Pearl Junior High School. One of the things I want to talk to you about is a new procedure we have implemented this school year, which is our staggered bell schedule for transitions between classes. This is being done to limit the number of students that are in the hallways and also allows them to maintain social distancing while transferring from one class to the next. This also allows for us to have smoother and more efficient transitions, and students are able to get from one place to the other in a more efficient manner. That's just one of the many changes we have here as we adjust to our new normal at Pearl Junior High School.
Hi, I'm Chris Lee, 7th grade principal here at Pearl Junior High School. I want to talk to you for just a minute about our AB schedule that we run here. We have 4 classes on an A day and we have 4 different classes on B day. On your schedules, you'll see classes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are our A day classes. 5, 6, 7, and 8 are our B day classes. I also want to talk for just a second about our split blocks that we run here at the junior high school. Our 6th grade classes do split English and math as well as band and ICT. Our 7th and 8th grade classes split band and their computer ICT STEM classes, but they do not split English and math.
My name is Dennis Philibar, 6th grade assistant principal, and just talking about a couple things for our protections against COVID. First thing is that every student was issued a mask and every student will be wearing a mask on campus. Every teacher first block will be taking temperature to make sure that there is no temperature or any related issues. In our cafeteria, everybody's going to line up 6 feet apart and they're going to eat in their classroom. Our custodians have been doing a wonderful job going through cleaning everything thoroughly multiple times a day and giving our teachers spray bottles to make sure to wipe down their materials in their desk in their room.
Now let's meet our teachers.
Hey, I'm Miss Ben. I teach 6th grade English.
I'm Miss Watson and I also teach 6th grade English.
I'm Kelsey Watts and I also teach 6th grade English.
I'm Kimberly Waits. I teach 6th grade English, 7th, 8th grade creative writing.
Hi, I'm Ginger Plaisance. I teach 7th grade English.
I'm Victoria Walker. I teach 7th grade English.
I'm Jessica Winston. I teach 7th grade English.
Hi, I'm Erica Frazier.
And I'm Cheyenne Smith.
I'm Stephanie Everett.
And we teach 8th grade English.
Hola, me llamo Marta Metcalf. Enseño español a los que son de 8º grado y enseño inglés a los que no hablan inglés en casa.
Hi, I'm Martha Metcalf. I teach Spanish to 8th graders, and I teach English to those who do not speak English at home.
Kanisha Rankin, 6th grade Science.
Mary Parker Tribble, 6th grade Science.
Sunny Alberto, 6th grade Science.
I'm Darlene Carter.
And I'm Amy Watts.
And we teach 7th grade Science.
Hi, we're the 8th grade Science teachers at Pearl Junior High, and I'm Angie Moore.
I'm Matt Williams.
I'm Amy Watts.
My name is Courtney Shoemaker.
My name is Terry Park.
My name is Joe Glasgow.
I'm Sarah Jane Hodges, and we are 6th grade math.
I'm Miss Timms.
I'm Miss Barnes.
I'm Mr. Wright, and Miss Verrett cannot be here. We're Math 7.
My name is Erin Hansinger.
My name is Mrs. Walker.
I'm Mrs. Kent, and we teach 8th grade math.
I'm David Houston, and I teach 6th grade and 7th grade social studies.
I'm Renee Hafler, and I teach 6th grade world history.
I'm Pam Stingley, and I teach 6th grade world history.
I'm Dylan Hayes, and I teach 7th grade early American history.
I'm Carrie Gatlin, and I teach 7th grade early American history.
My name is James Ash, and I teach 8th grade Mississippi Studies.
My name is Coach Winters. I teach 8th grade world geography.
My name is Robin Lewis. I teach 8th grade Mississippi Studies, and I also teach world geography.
My name is Coach Breland, and I teach 8th grade world geography.
I'm Matt Little.
Nicole Allen.
Amy Setta.
Jason Harrell, and we are the Pearl Junior High School band directors.
I'm Miss Grissom. Miss Little couldn't make it this afternoon, but we are the choir directors here at Pearl Junior High School.
I'm Miss Barnes, and I teach creative projects.
I'm Miss Thompson, and I teach Quest and creative projects.
I'm Miss Perkins, and I teach Quest and creative projects.
My name is James Ash, and I teach 7th and 8th grade PE.
My name is Chris Barnett, and I do 6th through 8th PE.
My name is Coach Howard, and I do 7th to 8th grade PE.
My name is Coach Latanya Deloach, and I do 6th through 8th grade PE and girls basketball coach at Pearl Junior High School.
My name is Coach Nathaniel Worrell. I do 6th grade PE and coach football.
I'm Carrie Gatlin, and I coach cheerleading.
I'm Nicole Gatlin, and I coach dance.
Hi, my name is Miss Graham, and I teach 6th grade art.
I'm Miss Pegler, and I teach 7th grade art.
And I'm Miss Hall, and I teach 8th grade art.
I'm Miss Alberto, and I teach Cyber Foundations 1.
I'm Miss Gatlin, and I teach Cyber Foundations 1 and 2.
Hi, I'm Mr. Quick. I teach Cyber Foundations 2 and STEM.
I'm Mr. McKenzie, Cyber Foundations 2 and STEM.
I'm Coach Garrett, Cyber Foundations 2.
I'm Mr. Hennessy. I teach Cyber Foundations 2, STEM, and robotics.
Hi, I'm Brittany Massey, and I'm the math interventionist at Pearl Junior High.
I'm Ariel Brown, the ELA interventionist.
I'm Kelsey Cottier. I'm the interventionist assistant.
Alice Stringer, 6th grade inclusion.
Ken Oliphant, 7th grade inclusion.
Kristen Farrow, 7th grade inclusion.
Presley Bond, 7th grade inclusion.
Jacqueline Dowdy, 6th grade inclusion.
Kristen Holiday, speech therapist.
Sheree Blackman, 8th grade inclusion. Gabriella Rutledge, 8th grade inclusion.
Hi, we are the special service teachers for grades 6 through 8, self-contained. I'm Jenny Hobby.
I'm Latoya Hubbard.
I'm Michelle Duke.
I'm Miss Nelson, the 6th grade counselor.
Hey, I'm Miss Cooper. I'm the 7th grade counselor.
Hey, I'm Miss King, and I'm the 8th grade counselor.
Hey, Kelly Smith, school nurse. Hello, I'm Debbie Berry, school librarian.
This is the 6th grade hall. This is the 7th grade hall. This is the 8th grade hall. And this is our band and annex.